John Knox Village has more than 50 years of experience enriching the lives of Kansas City seniors by providing independent living, many services and amenities, long-term health services, and much more.
That's right, and here to tell us about a critical service they offer that you may not have known about are Dan Rexroth, John Knox Village President and CEO, and Brian Opoka, Director of Public Safety. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, thank
Yeah,
you.
you missed the workout earlier, but we'll do that next time.
Yeah.
Glad for that.
Well, go ahead and talk to us about John Knox Village's emergency medical service, because you guys really stand out with this.
So our emergency medical services, we have a 300-acre plus campus. We provide the emergency medical services on our campus. We also, out into the community of the Kansas City metro area, we spread across, and we have contracts with 12 different hospitals where we provide inter-facility transports, whether that's going to a higher level of care or a lower level of care.
Yeah, this is such a critical amenity that you guys offer. Now, who benefits from the village's ambulance and mental health transportation services?
The patients benefit from it, the hospitals benefit from it. We strive to be able to help the whole healthcare system within the metro area to be able to move patients. The ERs get full very, very fast.
Oh, yeah.
People need to go to a higher level of care or a low level of care, or to those mental health facilities, and we provide those services to be able to work with those hospitals to be able to get them to where they need to be to get the proper care that they need.
Oh,
Yeah, you guys are definitely covering all the bases there. Now, talk to me, what sets your EMS program apart from the city or just other private ambulance services?
Well, we are a nonprofit organization. Like I said earlier, we have contracts with 12 different hospitals. We provide also our mental health van service. We have implemented that to be able to, as the metro area gets more populated, there's more services that are needed, and those inter-facility type transports, bringing in that van helps be able to supplement that to be able to get more and more people to where they need to be in a much more timelier fashion.
Yeah, absolutely.
Now, you've got an exciting initiative that you're working with right now. Why are you raising money to build a new dedicated facility for your EMS program?
Well, our EMS program is certainly growing over the years, and this year we'll probably run 9,000 to 10,000 runs between our ambulance and our behavioral health van. We have 40 full-time paramedics and other staff, so we've got a growing service. We need a growing facility to accommodate that need. So that's why we're trying to raise $4 million for a new facility.
That's huge. Well, talk to us. How can people give to this important campaign that you guys have going on?
Well, they can just look at our John Knox Village website. It's run through our foundation. We do have a very generous grant from the Maybe Foundation. It's a challenge grant, so we need to raise the rest of the money, which is now $1.3 million that's left to be raised over the course of the next year. So that's our goal.
Amazing.
Wow, that's very exciting. We've been to John Knox's campus many times.
Gosh,
it's absolutely incredible, and just add this to the list of why you guys are so great. So thank you for coming on the show today.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Absolutely.
John Knox Village is committed to enriching the lives and building community there, and their EMS program is just a huge piece of those efforts. If you'd like to donate to help, you can visit jkv.org/foundation or call 816-347-2384 for more information.